Hi everyone, my name is Kimber, and I'm the founder and managing editor of the LiveStudyLearn Abroad Association, the premier and only online members club for college students studying abroad worldwide. On this channel, I am looking forward to sharing a variety of different things that are going to help you create your dream semester away, including how to get started with your study abroad application, where to search for funding and scholarships, how you go through the process of obtaining a visa, and so much more that I have learned throughout my process of studying abroad over the course of 10 years. If you're interested and getting ready to start your study abroad journey, go ahead and click the subscribe button and also click that bell so that you get notifications when we post new content. New videos come out every Monday. We'll see you soon.